Senior journalist Barkha Dutt tagged HRD Minister Smriti Irani in a tweet where she was promoting her last column, a letter to PM Modi. Ms. Dutt captioned her tweet as, Minister Smriti Irani says JNU insulted Mother India, but what of compassionate, gentler side of mothers? My column. It didn't run down well with Irani how Dutt shared her segment kept in touch with Prime Minister by implication focused on her. Then a Twitter spat begins. Irani challenged Barkha to find her in single quote where she named JNU, else let it be known to the world once again that peddles lies. Barkha promptly posted some article links where Irani allegedly spoke on JNU matter. However, Irani denied all such articles and claims she never spoke on the JNU issue. Newzstreet Desk.